Hi, my name is Les Winston, and I'm running for mayor of Aventura. There are a lot of issues that are on the mayor's plate. This is a very important election, and choosing the right leader is very, very important for the city at this time. The City of Excellence is the City of Excellence because we have one of the lowest millage rates in Dade County. And that really is because we're a vertical city. We have a lot of residents in a very small area, and so the tax base is extremely large, especially because of the values of the property. One of the things I think is important is to maintain those property values and to allow them to increase over time so that our tax base will stay the same. We do need to do things with our tax dollars that can't be done in the private sector. And so having a stable tax base, having a low millage rate is extremely important, and those are things that I would strive to do in the way of redeveloping areas that have fallen down in value. Also to make sure that condominium associations and condominiums are kept to the highest level. One of the things we've done is we've established a condo college in the Chamber of Commerce, which is a way for individuals to learn how to run condominiums, and this is very important because if condo values drop because the condo associations are not being operated properly, this has an effect overall on all of the residents because the tax base will drop as well. So we want to maintain the buildings and make sure that they're kept up to their current standard of excellence. And also that has to do with insuring the buildings properly. We want to establish a windstorm pool arrangement. We would work with the state in order to find a way to make it easier to afford windstorm insurance for the condominiums, and that will help protect those properties as well. The school, I'm interested in having a high school. I think that I would strongly support having a high school in Aventura. I think a city becomes a city when it has a high school, and the K through 8 school, which is a charter school of excellence, needs to be continued. That mode needs to be continued into high school, and I think that parents who have children are looking for that to be a factor here as well. We've become a younger community over time because we have the school to attract young families, and we want to make sure that there is a continuation of their education on an excellent basis. And the issue of commerce, of course, as the president of the Chamber of Commerce, of the Aventura St. Al's Beach Chamber of Commerce, I've been familiar with the issues that businesses have when they come into the region. There is a significant amount of difficulty for businesses to get open, and so it's important that we have a way for those businesses to function quickly, smoothly, and to be effective so that our commerce can continue.